Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to make carousel posts on Instagram using Canva. So let's just begin. Alright, to create the carousel post for Instagram on the Canva, first of all, what you have to do, you actually have to log in into the Canva, which is the simple process, just like any other website for the login. Okay, so after you log in, you're gonna jump into this dashboard in the Canva. From you can actually search for the different kind of designs, different kind of templates, whatever you want to have. So in our case, what you're looking here, we want to create the Instagram carousel. Okay, so I'm gonna simply search here Instagram carousel posts. As you can see here that we are already having this. We are having this suggested keyword. So we're gonna click on Instagram carousel post, and now you'll be able to see a lot of the different templates here from the Canva that are already created. What you would need to do, you're going to simply change the content of it. Obviously, it depends on what kind of the post that you want to create. Okay, so let's say that I want to go here with the traveling carousel. So I can simply add the travel here, and then I can simply search for the carousel Instagram post for the travel. All right, so this is how we can find this. Or even if I want to click on see all, you will be able to see all the travel related carousel templates that we have on the Canva, and you can simply use any one of them. But yeah, here is the catch, that some of these templates are actually the part of pro version. So on the ones where you can see this crown, these are actually the part of pro version, so you actually can't use them in the free version since we're using the free version of the Canva. But whatever does not has this crown over here, you can simply use them. Okay, so we have the first one that is looking good. We have this one, essential tips for the travel. So I'm going to simply pick on this one. And you can see this, we are having a lot of the different posts in our carousel. It's, I think, almost maybe more than 10 or 10. And here you can also see more related carousel posts here. So we have about the artificial intelligence. So if you want to build something related to the tech, you can go with this. We have the solo traveling tips. So you can see multiple different suggested templates here for the carousel. But I'm going to go here with this one. We can simply click on customize this template, and here you will be able to get ready-made template for you. All you would need to do is to just change the content of it. Okay, so if I just wanted to change the picture of it, I will simply remove the picture from here. I'll just simply click on this delete button here, and I would like to delete the image here. Okay, now simply click on the design. So even if you want to change the template here that you have already chosen, you can simply change it from here if you wanted to. But if you only wanted to change the elements of it, so in the elements, you're going to see a lot of the different options. You would be able to see the graphics, you would be able to see shapes, you'll be able to see, let's say, illustrations, images, videos, whatever you would like to think, you're going to find it here. Okay, you can even generate the images using the AI image generator here. But right now, what you want to do here, we actually want to look for the images. So I'm going to simply go into the photos. And yeah, remember, all of these photos which does not have any crown on them are free to use. So let's say here that I would go something with traveling. So I'm going to search for the traveling image, and those images who has the crown are actually the part of pro version. So you actually can't use it in your photo. So let's say I want to go here with this one, and I will actually drag this, and you'll be able to see we can simply change the image here. Simply I can change the text here as well. Okay, so let's just add mountains. I'm not sure, but yeah, this is how you can do this. You can change the text here as well. Let's say this will be first trip. I know the text as well here. If you want to change the design color here, you can also do this as well, but I would like to keep it like this. Then we have this arrow, then we have this graphics. So if you want to change them, you want to change the color of them, you want to delete them, you can also do it. Okay, so there is no restriction on that. You can actually customize every single part of this. If I scroll down, let's say I want to change the text here again. So this is going to be let's say landscape. I hope I'm spelling it correctly, and I'm going to write down landscape here. We're going to search for this, and we'll find something that we can use for free here. I'm going to add this. I'll simply drag this into a frame, and this is how we can change the image here. And you can, let's simply change it like second trip or trip 2. Okay, and you can even delete these graphics here if you don't want to. but I would like to keep it like this. And even if you want to change the frame here, okay, so I'm gonna scroll down. Even if you want to change the frame here, which is also possible, so you're gonna go into the elements. So let's search for the frame here. So you can simply click on see all, and from here I can actually use any of these frames here. Okay, so let's say I would like to go here with this one. Okay, I'm going to delete the last one that we have. So I'm going to go here with remove this one. I can add this one actually. I can remove these ones. All right. And we can simply change the color here maybe. Yes, I think that will look perfect. And here we can have, let's say, oceans or something. We're going to search for it in the images. So we're going to go into the pictures here and the photos. We're going to search for ocean or the sea, or we can look for the beaches as well. So this is how you can actually create the carousel. Now I'm going to simply drag this. I'm going to put this here. And this is how you can actually create the Instagram carousel in the Canva. And even if you wanted to change the complete template here, you can simply go into the designs and you can look for the new template here. You can simply write down travel carousel, and you'll be able to see a lot of the different templates you already saw on the last page. Okay, so I'm going to simply click on the first one and I will simply apply all 3 pages and you'll be able to see them. Okay, I want to replace all pages. Okay, now you can see this. Now we have the different Instagram carousel posts here. So I can simply edit this again in the same way. I can change the font style here if I wanted to, whatever I would like to have here. I can change the size of the font. I can change the color of it. I can make it look bold if I wanted to. I can make it look italic if I wanted to. And you also have the option for the underline. And then we also have the effects. So you can basically do a lot of the things here. If you want to go here with the lift, if you want to go here with the background, if you want to go here with the neon, whatever you like here, you can actually do this here. Okay, so it is totally customizable. All right, so we can go here with this one, and after that you can also change the background image as we have already done that. So this is how the things work in the Canva, and this is how we can create Instagram carousel really easy in Canva. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.